We're on a quest to get healthier all the time. We've been using these spray oils for years. They've been convenient, not the highest quality oil. We spray it on popcorn, toast, salads. The only thing is, these have rocketed up in price. You're paying for convenience, not for quality. So in the process of trying to get rid of these, I was exploring options for spraying bottles. These bottles range in price from anywhere from $5 to $10 or more. And I got a range of price bottles just to see how different they are. And they're pretty much exactly the same. Some of them are brown glass, some of them are green glass. Many are clear glass. You can get different color tops to identify things. Some come with stickers. You can either use the ones that they're provided or write in your own labels. And this is an unsponsored video. I got paid nothing by these manufacturers to test out their products. This is how the bottle comes. These are usually disconnected in the bottle like that. You can see here that it's got a silicone gasket, which may or may not be installed when you get it. You just take this, you plug it in there, and there you go. Fill up the bottle with whatever oil you want, or in this case, apple cider vinegar. One of the things that I like to do now in my salads, instead of using a heavy salad dressing, I use oil and vinegar. Trying to control the amount that comes out of the bottle and percentages back and forth was really challenging. I completely solved it with these squirt bottles. You can hit these little tabs and it reveals a pour nozzle. One of the concerns I had was the spray pattern, the spray density. Depending on how hard you push down on this lever will determine the spray angle. And I've got my olive oil in both a green and brown bottle just to preserve the olive oil a little bit more. None of these nozzles have clogged, and I've been using them for about 3 or 4 months now. In all my evaluation videos, I don't just test them once or test them for a week. I test them for an extended period of time to make sure they continue to work. So let's go to a top-down shot and get into a little of the details of what you can do in the spray pattern and give you just a general idea of how these function. So here's the labels. Soybean oil, we don't use that, but avocado oil. What's one of the reasons why I got the green top on the clear one here. I'm going to use avocado oil. We do peanut oil. We don't do corn oil. A little closer up view of the olive oil. So we have our extra virgin olive oil in the green glass, and we have our regular standard olive oil in the brown glass. When I was looking into these things, I wanted to get a sense of how the spray worked in the target pattern. Use some extra virgin olive oil, the good stuff, and just spray down this popcorn. You would probably use a bigger bowl than this because you're going to add some flavors or whatever. So here, if I move it up probably about a foot or so, I kind of hit it a little hard with a stream right here, but you can move it around. A nice comfortable level coating. The more you move the spray bottle from the object, the bigger fan you're going to get. The harder you push down on this lever here, the less dense it's going to be. Here we got a piece of bread. Let's see if we can... Okay, so you can see I just targeted that. It's a really excellent way to use olive oil. You don't really waste too much. If I'm putting oil and vinegar on a salad, I'm still working on the perfect ratio between the vinegar and the oil, but here I can easily nail it down by, if I feel like I've got too much oil, just spray a couple more times on vinegar. So here's the salad. So we'll show you what that looks like. So typically what I'll do is I'll give it a couple spritzes of oil, follow up with a couple spritzes of vinegar. Now the vinegar is a little thinner, so its spray for the same amount of pressure on the lever here gives you a slightly bigger fan. So there you go. And then as I eat the salad down, if it's dry towards the bottom, I just hit it again with the oil and vinegar. Pretty simple, pretty easy, a pretty good option for spraying olive oils in different liquids like apple cider vinegar on various foods that you might eat in your kitchen. The cost of the sprayer, you can typically get them in sets for cheaper, pairs of 2. I think I got this for about $6 a piece. This is the $5.99, and this one cost $10. I'll post down below options on all of these so you can get the one that's right for you. You might want to get one that has the labels on it though, because then you can put that on all your bottles. What you do with these and how you use them is only limited by your imagination. And when it comes down to it, wouldn't you like to control what you're eating as opposed to somebody else that might be putting other additives in those spray canisters, which you have no idea what the oil is in there. Plus there's a whole bunch of other ingredients that maybe you're not interested in. 5 ounces, and these are, Trader Joe's, so it's pretty good quality, unsponsored. You'll pay $7, $8, even more dollars, which is the price of one of these. And then you just fill it up with your favorite apple cider vinegar or other oils or other sauces you might use in your house, and then you control the process. And isn't that better for everyone? Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of evaluations of kitchen gear, tools to help people out like the elderly or people that have problems grabbing onto things in the kitchen or anywhere else, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, home repairs. I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what low-cost solution you're gonna see.